Your brightness up.
What's up, guys? Back at it again with the Blazing video right here. Blazing Kill right here. Back at it again with my boy Herschel, aka Bar.
No, the real one.
The real one.
My old channel had got hacked.
Alright. The real one.
The real one. Just because I come with the real videos and no clickbait.
And back at it again. Blazing videos. We got the real one right here, my boy. And we're just about to go out of here and see what we want to knock on my boy's cousin's door. So I'll see you guys when we get there. What the hell, bro? It won't pause. Alright, guys, we're almost there. We're about to go in the house. Almost there. It's like 1/4 inches away.
Okay, guys.
Like all the way.
Almost there.
Like it's right over there. Right over there. It's that red car.
Their house is way over there.
Yeah.
But
It's long. But I'll just see you guys when we get there, right? Guys, we are in a tense situation right now because, well, there's 15 people chasing after us. And if you knock on their door, it's going to count 17 people because your cousin and his brother. This is going to be really, really intense, guys. I was going to run for my life. Yeah. Well, I'm done. We're done if they catch us, bro. Like, we're almost there. Like, literally 1/4 of an inch right there. And we're just about to go in the yard. All right. So how are we going to approach this? How are we going to approach this? How are we going to approach this?
it's just like we always say.
All right. All right, guys. We're here. We're here. Just right here. All right. So right here. You're going to have to be very, very quiet. So, what I'm just going to do.
Very intense.
Yeah, very, very intense.
Hey,
oh my god.
Hey, I think I hear those 15 people. Hey, I have to go back to my house. Real.
Oh shit.
I get out of this situation.
Yeah. Alright, guys. We escaped. That was very, very intense. My stomach is hurting. I really don't feel good. I was about to go take the woods. Oh man, that was going very wrong. Oh my god. Just, oh my god. Come on. Yeah, he coming. Guys, comment below what I should do for a blazing video next time. Just hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm so glad you guys don't have to go through what I do. Cause this is very intense. Please don't do this at home, kids. Please don't do this. Don't do it. It's only for professionals like us.